Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Commonwealth Hub. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support towards my small channel. And if you are new and this is your first time of stopping by, I really appreciate you. Thank you for coming. Please kindly subscribe, kindly like, kindly share, kindly drop a comment if this video is useful to you. If this video was helpful to you, kindly drop me a comment and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be how to thread a sewing machine. This is going to be helpful for beginners in fashion design, those who do not really have much knowledge about how to sew. Now, so I'm going to be teaching us how to thread a sewing machine. Now here with me is called a bobbin case, a bobbin. It's called bobbin, and this is the bobbin case. So this is what houses the bobbin. So this is how it's usually placed. Can we see this? This is a bobbin and this is a bobbin case. So the next thing we want to do is, this is our thread. We're working with this thread. This is our thread, so I'm going to be placing it on our spool pin. This is called a spool pin, or you can call it a thread holder. So now, for us to be able to gather thread on our bobbin case, or to wind some thread into our bobbin case, what we have to do is hold your bobbin this way and ensure you have an excess of the thread this way. Then place it around your thread, your bobbin case, your bobbin like this, and roll it around. Roll it around about 3 to 4 times. Once you have done that, hold your bobbin this way. I'm so sorry about that. Once you are done with that, hold your bobbin this way. When you hold your bobbin, you can get a needle as big as this. You can get anything that can help your bobbin to move around easily. So I'm going to just be making use of this needle, this big needle, for an illustration, for the illustration purpose. So I'm just going to, I will place my 2 feet. I'll place my feet on the foot pedal downwards, and then this is called my balance wheel. This is called my balance wheel. So I'm going to be rolling it to my side while I pedal from the down part with my feet. So let's go. So all you have to do is make sure you roll it towards you, and make sure your feet are going front and back, front and back. So let's go forward and backwards. That's how it should be. So let's go. And you see, then place what you want to use in between like this, and place it here. Then make sure you hold the thread this way, not too tight, not too loose, and ensure that you try to move the thread around so that the thread evenly distributes on the bobbin. So let's do again. Now this may happen, so expect it to happen. So all you just have to do is adjust it. So I'm done with gathering the thread. So we have a full thread. Can you see it? We are done with what we gathering the thread. So you just cut it out this way. Sorry. So now let me show us how to fix our bobbin into our bobbin case with the thread in it. So you position your your bobbin into your bobbin case like this, while you drag out the thread this way. Now there is this tiny hole in between, this tiny line in between your bobbin case. All you just have to do is take your thread to pass through it this way, then turn it this way and bring it out. It's as simple as that. Let me show us one more time. place your bobbin into your bobbin case. This tiny hole here, allow your thread to pass through it, then let it come inwardly like this and let it come out. It's as simple as that. Then you drag it out. You can just reduce the thread a little. Now let me show us how to fix it in here. I'm just going to open this side a little. Then ensure you hold your bobbin case like this. Lift this side up like this. Can you see it? Hold it this way and lift it up like this. Then ensure that your thread flows this way. Then take your hand downwards, let it come out this way. Can you see it? Then ensure that the middle part, this side and this side, are facing up. Then place it into this pin around here. Put it inwardly like this, and then ensure that this upper part meets with this little side here, and then it goes inward. Then you can drop it. It has stayed. Then you can just close this up. Once you close it, now let me show us how to thread the upper part of your sewing machine. Then this is our upper part. Ensure this is well placed. You can just reduce the thread. Then take your thread and let it go downwards under the thread, under the sewing machine like this. And you see, can you see? Let it pass under the sewing machine. Then let it pass through this side. Hang it on this side. Can you see where I passed my hand? Hang it on that side. Then take your thread, let it go in between this side. This is the thread tension holder. This is the thread tension holder. So let it pass through it. Then you adjust your thread. Adjust your thread and let it pass through this side. Can you see what I just did? Then hang it on this tiny side. Let it go inwardly. Once you are done, then you have to pass your thread from your left side, not from the right hand side, please. If you pass it from your right hand side, your sewing will not come out nicely. So, and besides, your stitch will not be neat. It won't even sew. It will just be, the thread will be cutting off. So ensure that your thread is having a fine end like this, and pass your thread from this way. Once your thread has entered into a hole of a needle like this, all you just have to do is use your balance wheel and turn it this way, so that you can pick the down thread outwardly. If it doesn't come out the first, go again. Can you see? It has picked it up. Then you bring it outward this way. Lift this up from this side. This is what I lifted. Your foot, this is called foot presser, and this is the foot presser lifter. So you lift it up this way, and then you bring it inwardly in between this side. You bring it inward in between this side, and then you drop it down. That is how to thread your sewing machine. So if this was helpful to you, please once again kindly subscribe, drop me a comment, like and share this to as many people that you think this video will be useful for. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.